Hi. So today let's talk about this thing. The the fact that there's this feeling that I feel so uncomfortable in my body, या फिर the general feeling or the general thought that I feel that I don't feel comfortable being myself. I don't feel comfortable in my own body. और वो जो एक random या फिर एक constant feeling रहती है in the back of our mind, and we never confess it because we don't feel safe enough, or we don't find a safe enough space to confess these feelings, to मतलब किसी को बताना, किसी से पूछना that this is how I feel sometimes, that I don't feel comfortable being myself. Can you tell me something about it, or what can I do, या फिर ये क्यों होता है, why, and all of those things, because these are certain things when we talk about things like self hatred हो गया, dislike हो गया, strong मतलब having those feelings which are against us. शेम कम्स इन, मतलब एक शेम बहुत ही कांस्टेंट पार्ट होता है उसका. इनफैक्ट द फैक्ट दैट वी हैव दीज थिंग्स, इनफैक्ट द फैक्ट दैट समवेयर देयर इज डिसलाइक या फिर थोड़ा सेल्फ हेटेड मुझे फील होता है, उसका एक ओरिजिन ये होता है दैट वी हैव शेम. मतलब हमारी बॉडी में एक जो कॉमन कॉम्पोनेंट होगा वो शेम होगा, राइट? और जब शेम होता है, द मोमेंट शेम कम्स इन, एवरीथिंग अबाउट अस मेक अस फील एम्बैरेस्ड, शेमफुल. तो या ये कन्फेस करना तो बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ हो जाती है, कन्फेस करना. सो टुडे एंड एज अ रिजल्ट क्या होता है, we keep such feelings, such questions, such doubts, such concerns trapped in our body, and we keep suffering, क्योंकि इसके आंसर्स कभी मिलते ही नहीं हमें. We never get answer for, okay, why do I feel so uncomfortable in my body, why don't I like being in my body, why do I feel trapped, why do I feel like why don't I like being myself, and all of those things. And when answers do not come, these things, मतलब ये सारी फीलिंग्स, ये सारे इमोशंस, ये सारे जो अनप्रोसेस्ड फीलिंग्स है, ये हमारे बॉडी में ट्रैप होकर रह जाते हैं. And it doesn't help, because then when answers do not come, you start accusing yourself, you start telling yourself things like, this is my destiny, this is how I was born to be. And shame का क्या है कि shame makes you feel like it's only you. तो यहाँ पर you will have a feeling कि except me, मुझे छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी लोग हैं, they are all perfect, their life is all मतलब their life is going all perfect. They just do not relate to me, they just don't know anything what's happening with me, they are just not like me. So यहाँ पे you'll feel very separation, you'll feel like you're very much separate from other people. And yeah, shame thrives in when it's alone. मतलब shame को privacy चाहिए होती है. The more it will make you hide yourself, it will make you hide those feelings of shame, and the more you do, the more you find yourself alone. So in this, but reality is, this is not, it's not just you. That is why I'm making this video, because see, people feel this, I felt it, and that is why we are talking about this stuff, right? So you are not alone in this. Shame is not something that is just happening to you. It happens to a lot of us. So today let's answer this question, or let's go deep into this, that if I have this feeling, that if I have this feeling that, okay, you know what, I do not feel comfortable in my body, I don't feel comfortable being myself, and it affects my confidence in every area of life, because I just don't like the body that I am in. So let's talk about this. So today we are going to go deep into that. Where does this come from? Why do I have this feeling, and why do other people do not have this feeling? So what's the difference, and what can we do, and how it's affecting my life? Let's try to cover all of it. All right. So तो हो क्या रहा है exactly? When we are this person, when we have this feeling, or when we feel, whether we want it or not, when we feel uncomfortable being ourselves or being in our body, what happens is, certain things that happen is, first is we feel very insecure. Now, what is insecure? Insecure means I don't feel proud of myself. There is nothing that I am that makes me feel good about myself. So I'm very insecure. Anything that is about me, it makes me feel shame, it makes me feel embarrassed about my own self. So there's nothing that makes me feel good about myself. So it's like, तो कॉन्फिडेंस की तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे. कॉन्फिडेंस तो बिल्कुल जीरो होगा हमारे यहाँ पर. वी डोंट फील कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट आवर ओन सेल्फ. हाँ, हम थोड़ी देर के लिए वी कैन इनैक्ट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, हम कॉन्फिडेंस एक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट डीप इंटरनली वी डोंट फील कॉन्फिडेंट इन आवर सेल्फ. एंड व्हाट इज कॉन्फिडेंस? कॉन्फिडेंस ज़्यादातर हम सोचते हैं कि इट इज समथिंग दैट इज विजिबल. सो व्हेन वी आर एबल टू सी समबडी स्पीक परफेक्टली, somebody looks very good, or the way they walk, they carry themselves, we try to find confidence in that. But that's just exterior part of confidence. That is something that is a manifestation of confidence, because confidence at the end of the day is how you feel. So the moment you start to feel okay in yourself, the moment you start to feel comfortable being the person that you are, comfortable in your body. The moment you start to feel comfortable in just who you are, the moment you accept yourself the way you are, the moment you do not have, I mean, जैसे आपको किसी भी, like the moment you make peace with every part of you, with the way you are, with your faults as well as strengths. So कॉन्फिडेंस का मतलब परफेक्शन नहीं है कि मैं परफेक्ट हो जाता तब कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. ये हमारा एक मिथ होता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस विल कम व्हेन आई बिकम परफेक्ट, कॉन्फिडेंस विल कम व्हेन आई हैव दिस जॉब, व्हेन आई मेक दिस मच मनी, जब मेरे पास, व्हेन आई विल लुक दिस वे. दिस इज अ मिथ, राइट? कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट इक्वल टू परफेक्शन. कॉन्फिडेंस इज व्हाट? कॉन्फिडेंस इज हाउ डू आई फील in myself right now, how do I feel about every aspect of me right now. तो यहाँ पर we definitely do not feel confident because we don't feel comfortable being in our body, we don't feel comfortable being ourselves, and we feel, yes, there's a feeling that we feel bad about ourselves. That is what shame is, that we have a very strong feeling that there's something wrong with me, there's something wrong with me, because first we don't relate to other people, and we have, and the way we feel uncomfortable in our body. So we know that so we this feeling that I the poor me, here we start to see ourselves in a very, as a very poor person, मतलब बेचारा टाइप का, डेस्टिनी, किस्मत ही खराब है, and वो all of that comes in. And yes, when we do not feel comfortable in our body, there is a very common desire that comes into us, which is the desire to be like somebody else. So here क्या होता है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि we separate world into two parts. कि एक है हमारे जैसे लोग जो बिल्कुल imperfect, कुछ नहीं अच्छा है, very zero confidence and all of that, and other section of the world or the population is perfect people. So यहाँ पे बस और बस perfection होगा. So here परफेक्शन होगा, एंड व्हेन वी आर दिस पर्सन, हमारा जो लेंस होता है दुनिया को देखने का, वो ऐसे हो जाता है ना कि दैट वी स्टार्ट टू फाइंड ओनली फॉल्ट्स इन आवरसेल्व्स, एंड जो बाकी लोग होते हैं उनमें हमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ परफेक्शन दिखता है. तो इसमें क्या होगा जनरली, बिकॉज वी फील सो बैड अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स, बिकॉज वी लैक कॉन्फिडेंस इन एनीथिंग गुड, एनी गुड फीलिंग इन आवरसेल्व्स, हमारे अंदर एक डिजायर आती है, वी सी अराउंड आवरसेल्व्स, वेदर वो हमारा कोई कलीग हो या फिर कोई फ्रेंड हो या फिर कोई नॉन पर्सन हो, वी लुक एट देम एंड देन अ डिजायर कम्स इन दैट आई विश आई वाज दिस पर्सन, आई विश आई लुक लाइक देम, आई विश आई हैड देयर लाइफ, आई विश आई हैड देयर बॉडी, देयर ब्रेन एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक देम. So एक कॉमन डिजायर आती है, and where is this desire coming from? This desire is coming from the fact that we lack the same thing, that we lack that happiness, that confidence in our own self. So मतलब the thing that needs to be considered is the feeling, is this feeling that why do I feel uncomfortable in my body. और अभी हमें लगेगा ना कि दिस इज मतलब अभी हमें लगेगा कि इसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है, मतलब दिस इज हाउ आई वॉज बॉर्न, दिस इज माई डेस्टिनी. अभी हमें लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ही फॉर एवर वाली चीज है, बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलवेज फेल्ट लाइक दिस. For this person, as long as they can recall, this is their this is their identity, this is how they have felt, that I feel uncomfortable in my body. So but here you need to know that this ये खुद से नहीं आया है. There were things, there were events, there are experiences, so there have been reasons why this has come into existence today, and it's about uncovering that, because the moment you go deep into something, because see, किसी भी चीज को ठीक करने के लिए, फिर किसी भी चीज को to go above something. So if this is a feeling, so to resolve this feeling you need to go into the depth of कि ये start कैसे हुआ, what happened that made me feel this way, and the more you process this thing, the more it will go away, and the moment any negative, or I would say resistance goes away, जो आपका normal state है वो खुद आता है. और आपका normal state क्या है? How were you born? You were born with so much peace, comfort and perfection. आपने पैदा होकर कभी नहीं सोचा था कि यार मैं कैसे पैदा हो गया, कैसी बॉडी है मेरी, कैसा दिख रहा हूं मैं, कैसी लाइफ है मेरी. नो, ये सारी चीज हम बिल्डअप करते हैं. तो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी पिक अप फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो फॉल्ट उसमें है, ठीक है. आई टॉक अबाउट दैट, द वाई, कि वाई डू यू फील दिस वे. सो लेट मी जस्ट कवर ऑल ऑफ दिस. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, वी आर वेरी मच इनसिक्योर, वी डोंट फील कॉन्फिडेंट इन आवर ओन सेल्फ, इन आवर ओन बॉडी, we start to feel very bad about our own selves, और उसी से एक डिजायर पैदा होती है that I wish I was like this person, I wish I was like them. And here yes, this person we struggle with our own selves, because हो क्या रहा है, see, यहाँ पे हमारी constant feeling that I feel so uncomfortable in my body. So there's a feeling कि I am trapped in this life, I am trapped in this body, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, because for this person this is constant. इसको लग रहा है कि ये तो permanent चीज है. So here we do not have awareness कि this has come into existence because something happened. So how does this person start to feel? They start to feel trapped in their own body, they start to feel trapped in their own life, because for this person ये जो feeling है, ये constant feeling है, ये permanent है. This person, अभी तक हमें awareness नहीं है that you know what, this has come into existence because of something, और इसका भी solution है. Okay, so that is why here we start to feel trapped in our own body, because अभी हमें कुछ solution दिख ही नहीं रहा है. But the fact that you're here, I want you to know that everything has solution. Anything that is undesirable, anything that does not make you feel good, is something that you have picked upon from outside, and it has a solution. All right. Okay, so now next let's talk about what is happening here. Why do I feel this way? Okay, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि जब हम ऐसे होते तो हो क्या रहा है, what exactly is happening within us, how do we feel, and you know what's the impact on all of those stuff. So now let's talk about the why part, or what is exactly happening. Not even why, like what is exactly happening. Why do I, like if I'm this person, why do I feel uncomfortable in my body? What is making me feel this way? Because अभी मैंने बताया ना कि ये permanent नहीं है. This has come into existence, या फिर this is happening because there's something that is not natural that you know I'm believing in. And the fact, okay, let's take two people into consideration. This is me, right? This is you, or this is us, और कोई और person है. And we'll assume that this person does not feel this way. So this person feels comfortable in their body and they are confident and all of those things. ठीक है, perfection नहीं है. We are not claiming this कि ये इंसान perfect है. No, we are just claiming that this person does not feel this way. This person feels comfortable in their body, whereas we feel uncomfortable in our body. So the question becomes कि ऐसा क्यों है? Like why the difference? कुछ तो हुआ होगा ना that this person feels this way, this person feels comfortable. अब जनरली हमें लगता है कि यार मैं पैदा ही ऐसे हुआ था, इट्स माई डेस्टिनी, दिस इज हाउ आई वॉज बॉर्न, दिस इज हाउ आई वॉज मेंट टू बी, that I was meant to be to live a miserable life, to live a life where I do not like anything, and this person was just blessed, was just privileged. वो कहना आसान है, but the moment we say that, we also, it's like we start to see ourselves as a victim. हम खुद को ही बेचारा बनाते, it's like we क्लोज ऑल द वेज टू सोल्यूशन फॉर अस. मतलब हम यहाँ पर अपने लिए मतलब सोल्यूशन का रास्ता ही बंद कर देते हैं. दैट नाउ देयर इज नो सोल्यूशन, बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई स्टार्ट टू फील दैट इट्स अबाउट दैट आई वॉज बॉर्न टू बी दिस वे, इट्स माई डेस्टिनी, और ये इंसान ऐसा है क्योंकि ये प्रिविलेज है, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. सो इट्स लाइक द वे इट मेक्स मी फील विज कि अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, because things are just ended, because I just concluded कि things are not in my hand, because अभी now I've started to look at things which are not under my control. The family I was born in, the environment I was born in, my financial situation I was born in, the financial situation of my family. So abhi just the moment we start to look at that thing, look at that factor, or consider that factor as the difference कि मैं यहाँ पर और कोई और इंसान कहीं और पर है, it's like we have started to feel helpless, powerless, because we are looking at things that are out of our control. So let's actually see what is the difference, what makes you this person, what makes you feel uncomfortable in yourself, and what is the truth that makes other person feel comfortable in their body. See, why we feel uncomfortable in our body. See, uncomfortable is a feeling, right? And I always say, where do feelings come from? Our thoughts. So everything is created by our thoughts, right? Everything is a manifestation of our thoughts. So यहाँ पर अगर ये feeling है uncomfortable, तो मतलब ये किन थॉट्स से आया होगा, मतलब कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल थॉट्स, कुछ अनहेल्पफुल थॉट्स रहे होंगे मेरे पास, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आई स्टार्ट टू फील अनकंफर्टेबल अबाउट माई ओन सेल्फ. आई स्टार्ट टू फील आई डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल इन माई बॉडी एनी मोर. सो यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है, एग्जैक्टली हो क्या रहा है. सी वी ऑल हैव सेल्फ इमेज. सी देयर इज, हमें लगता है कि इट्स जस्ट मी. नो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट यू, इट्स यू एंड द वे यू सी योर सेल्फ. सो वॉट इज दिस इज योर सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, या फिर सेल्फ इमेज कह लो. Now everybody has this, we have it, this person has it. यहाँ पर क्या डिफरेंस है? We will have an unhealthy self concept. यहाँ पर जो हमारा सेल्फ इमेज होगा वो अनहेल्दी होगा, वो टॉक्सिक होगा. विच मीन्स, एंड वॉट इज सेल्फ इमेज और सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट? द वे आई थिंक एंड फील अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो एवरीथिंग, सी योर इनर वर्ल्ड, इनर वर्क, इनफैक्ट जो इनर वर्क होता है, इनर वर्ल्ड होता है. सी हमारे पास ना हमेशा दो टाइप की चीजें होती हैं. एक होता है इनर वर्ल्ड, ये द वे आई थिंक एंड फील अबाउट एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, अबाउट माई सेल्फ. And external world, other people, what is happening in my life, circumstances, मतलब कोई भी चीज़ जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. यहाँ पर आता है थिंक एंड फील. सो सेल्फ इमेज में इट्स जस्ट अबाउट यू, दैट what are your thoughts and feelings about your own self. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यहाँ पर when we are this person, when we have a very dominant feeling that I don't feel comfortable being myself, I don't feel comfortable in my body, मतलब I feel so underconfident, मतलब I feel so scared, so fearful in being in my own body and all of those things. It means that I have an unhealthy self-image, that The way I think and feel about myself is negative, is unhealthy. मतलब I do not see myself in good light. मतलब the way I think and feel about myself is very negative. मतलब यहाँ पर we are going to have very dominant thoughts and beliefs about ourselves, like I am not good enough, I cannot do things, I'm idiot, I'm dumb, I always make mistakes, I cannot get anything done right, मतलब, oh, I'm incapable, and all those things. I'm not capable, I'm not worthy, I'm not deserving, and all those feelings will be here. All those things, all those thoughts and feelings will be here, and there are reasons why we think and feel that way. But for now, I just want you to know that what is the factor that is making me feel this way. The fact that I feel so uncomfortable in my body means the thoughts, the thoughts and feelings I have about myself, which means the self image, my self concept is unhealthy, which means I have, मतलब जो मेरे beliefs हैं खुद को लेकर, those are very negative. That here I have a strong feeling that I'm not worthy, I'm not capable enough. So this is what is happening right now in us. Now let's consider this other person who feels comfortable in their body. इनका इसमें और हमें क्या difference होगा? The self image, the self concept that this person has is healthy. मतलब I will never use the word, or I would never say that it's 100% in either case. किसी भी case में 100% नहीं होगा. So this person will not have just 100% positive feelings about themselves. See, we all have faults, we all have weaknesses, we all have negative as well as positive aspects in us. So this person will also have certain negative beliefs about themselves, but dominant thoughts क्या होंगे इसके खुद को लेकर? The way this person thinks and feels about themselves would be like, mostly it will be positive, it will be good, it will be healthy. So for this person, their thoughts would be, I am capable, I am worthy of good things, I deserve love, I can do things. So it's not that I can do things perfectly, no, I can do things, I am capable, I deserve to be here, I deserve happiness, my life is to be happy, all good things are supposed to come to me, I deserve good things, happiness is for me, and all those good feelings. So this person will operate his life from this foundation, from this base, because our thoughts and feelings form the foundation. ठीक है, जिस नज़र से हम दुनिया को देखते हैं, दूसरों को देखते हैं, खुद को देखते हैं, वो कहाँ से आते हैं? So, हम सबका एक फाउंडेशन होता है, थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. मैंने कहा था ना, हम सबकी दुनिया में दो चीज़ें होती हैं, एक होता है इनर वर्ल्ड, एक होता है एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड. इनर वर्ल्ड इज ऑल अबाउट थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. सेल्फ इमेज में इट्स अबाउट व्हाट डू यू थिंक एंड फील अबाउट योर सेल्फ. So here, what is the difference? This other person has a very solid, good, positive, healthy foundation. On the contrary, we have an unhealthy foundation, that is unhealthy self-image. An unhealthy foundation is always weak and shaky. It's not good. So everything about here is not so good. Like uncomfortable feeling होगी, you don't feel good in yourself. Any मतलब confidence problem होगी, you would not feel very confident in your own self. कुछ करना होगा, like you will have dreams, or you will feel confused in most area of your life. You will not know that okay, what do I want? So वो एक confusion होगा, clarity, lack of clarity होगी, all of those things will be present here. ठीक है? So this is the difference. ये होता है. So difference is in foundation. What is the foundation I have and what is the foundation this other person has, and it is about self image, self concept. So एक तो ये हो गया. Now फिर एक question आता है, तो okay, why do I have such self image or self concept, and why does this person has a healthy self concept or self image? I said right कि ये जो हमारे beliefs होते हैं उसका भी एक reason होता है कि हमारे beliefs ऐसे क्यों हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी कुछ खुद ही के बारे में beliefs लेकर पैदा नहीं होता है, right? So if this person has positive beliefs about themselves, if they see themselves in a good light, या फिर इनके कुछ major अगर beliefs ऐसे हैं कि I am good enough, I am worthy of love, I can do things, तो ये खुद से नहीं आया ना, ये सारे बिलीव्स के साथ पैदा नहीं हुआ था. नीदर वॉज दिस पर्सन बॉर्न विद नेगेटिव बिलीव्स अबाउट देमसेल्व्स, दैट दे डोंट डिजर्व थिंग्स, दैट दे आर इनकेपेबल. सो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस? वाई इज वेरी स्मॉल, बट यू नीड टू नो वाई. क्योंकि अगर वाई नहीं होता है ना, तो वी स्टार्ट टू ब्लेम आवरसेल्व्स, वी स्टार्ट टू क्वेश्चन आवरसेल्व्स, वी स्टार्ट टू अक्यूज आवरसेल्व्स. कि फिर से वही बात आ गई. मतलब सी व्हेन वी आर दिस पर्सन, इट्स वेरी इजी टू स्लिप इनटू द विक्टिम मोड. एंड आई एम नॉट accusing you, I'm not pointing towards you, I'm stating facts. It's very easy to fall into the victim, it's very easy to slip into the victim mode कि ये मेरे साथ हो गया, मेरी क्या गलती है इसमें, मेरी क्या गलती है, मेरा मतलब सेल्फ इमेज अगर अनहेल्दी है तो. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू फाइंड an answer for every question so that we understand ourselves, because when we understand ourselves we don't feel sorry for ourselves. Instead, if we understand ourselves, we offer ourselves kindness and compassion, but which ultimately gives us the power or gives us the courage to move ahead, to walk out of it, to the courage to work on it, so that we can go from having an unhealthy self concept to a healthy self concept. Because the moment I start feeling victim about my own self, ये एक फैक्ट बन जाता है कि यार मैं तो अनहेल्दी सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ ही पैदा हुआ था, कुछ नहीं हो सकता। ऑलराइट, सो पता नहीं बाहर से बहुत आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, खैर। ओके, सो सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट वाई। सो हाँ, तो क्वेश्चन इज कि मतलब यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि यार फिर मेरे पास मैं वाई डिड आई ग्रो अप टू हैव एन अनहेल्दी सेल्फ इमेज, और ये दूसरे बंदे के पास क्यों एक पॉजिटिव और अच्छा हेल्दी सेल्फ इमेज है। दिस बिकम्स द क्वेश्चन। नाउ आंसरिंग, सी वी ऑल कवर दिस जर्नी, राइट। हम एक बच्चे होते हैं, देन वी ग्रो अप इनटू एन एडल्ट। फैक्ट्स आर, जब हम बच्चे होते हैं तो हमारी सेल्फ इमेज नहीं होती है। वी डू नॉट कैरी एनी सेल्फ इमेज, वी डू नॉट थिंक एंड फील अबाउट आवर ओन सेल्फ। एज अ चाइल्ड हमारे पास वो थिंकिंग ब्रेन नहीं होता है, वी ओनली फील, राइट, वी ओनली हैव द पावर टू फील। नाउ द मोमेंट दिस, ये जो ग्रोथ, हमारी जो ग्रोइंग जर्नी है, यहाँ पे हमारी सेल्फ इमेज फॉर्म होती है। सो दिस इज व्हेन वी फॉर्म आवर सेल्फ इमेज, मतलब दिस इज हाउ, दिस इज इट्स द जर्नी। चाइल्डहुड में हम ना अपने बारे में बिलीव्स इकट्ठा करते हैं, बिलीव्स फॉर्म करते हैं, दैट ओके हाउ एम आई एज अ पर्सन, एम आई गुड इनफ, एम आई वर्दी इनफ, और कहाँ से, वेयर डू वी गेट दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम आवर इन्वायरमेंट, फ्रॉम आवर सराउंडिंग, फ्रॉम पीपल, फ्रॉम आवर पीपल इन आवर लाइफ। तो अभी क्या होगा, लाइक दिस इज अस, सपोज दिस इज अस, और ग्रोइंग अप क्या हुआ कि सपोज मे बी आई वॉज बुलिड, और मे बी आई हैड अ वेरी क्रिटिकल पेरेंट, विच मीन्स दैट आई वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली मेड टू फील दैट which actually meant that I did not feel loved, accepted, or supported growing up. So there was a lot of unfavorable or negative or heavy feelings that I felt growing up. Now अब क्या होता है, जब हम ये सब फील करते हैं ना बहुत ही constantly for an extended period of time as a child, as a kid growing up, we start to feel that there's something wrong with me, that is why such things are happening. There's something wrong with me, that is why I'm being blamed, or I'm being so much, that is why मुझ पे इतना गुस्सा किया जा रहा है, that is why my parent always so angry with me, that is why they, that is why I'm scolded so many times, या फिर that is why I'm criticized so heavily, या फिर that is why I get bullied by my peers so much, because there's something wrong with me. So we are always pointing fingers towards our own self, because as a child that is how we think, because that is how we feel, because we cannot think as a child, we do not have that part of brain. तो अभी क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे हम इस जर्नी में हमने अपना सेल्फ इमेज फॉर्म कर लिया. सो व्हेन वी वर दिस पर्सन, we did not feel good, we did not feel loved growing up, we did not feel accepted growing up. As a result, we grow up feeling very much negative, or we grow up feeling very much like I don't deserve to be here, like I'm not loved, people don't want me. और जब वो सारी फीलिंग्स के साथ हम बड़े होते हैं तो we end up as an adult, we end up having very strong beliefs that I'm not good enough, I don't deserve to be here, there's some problem with me, there's some defect in me. वाई? बिकॉज वी स्टार्ट टू फील दैट हाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम रही होगी तभी तो मेरे साथ ऐसे बिहेव हुआ, कोई प्रॉब्लम रही होगी तभी तो मेरे साथ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए, तभी तो आई वॉज क्रिटिसाइज सो मच. वी स्टार्ट टू फील दैट वे, वी स्टार्ट टू लुक एट आवर सेल्फ दैट वे. ओके, so this is how we this is how we grow up to have an unhealthy self image. And similarly for this person, suppose this person has a इसके पास सपोज दिस पर्सन हैज अ वेरी हेल्दी सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट, सेल्फ इमेज टुडे. तो इसकी जर्नी कैसी रहेगी? फॉर दिस पर्सन, व्हेन दे वर ग्रोइंग अप, दे हैड opposite experiences, as in most of the times they felt loved, they felt accepted, they felt safe in their body, they felt safe growing up, they felt safe that okay, I deserve to be here, I'm loved, my parents love me, I'm supported, I'm seen, I'm accepted. This is how this person grows up feeling. See, so इसमें मैं कहना क्या चाह रही हूँ that both of you, हाँ ये और this person, both of us started our journey here, right? At the core we were same, at the core we were all whole, perfect and complete, at the core we were all same. But growing up, एक बंदे के पास unhealthy self esteem, very मतलब खुद को देखने का तरीका बहुत ही नेगेटिव हो जाता है, और दूसरे केस में हमारा खुद को देखने का नजरिया बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रहता है, मोस्टली पॉजिटिव रहता है. एंड वी आर गुड, वी आर फाइन इन आवरसेल्व्स, वी आर जस्ट कंफर्टेबल इन अ बॉडी, वी डोंट हैव दैट we don't feel that heavy feeling of that I don't feel comfortable being in myself, वो नहीं होता है. तो what's the difference? This journey is the difference. अब हम यहाँ पर ब्लेम कर सकते हैं, इफ यू वांट वी कैन पॉइंट आउट कि हाँ तो गलती तो उसकी थी, अगर मेरे पास कोई क्रिटिकल पेरेंट था तो, अगर टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट में, इफ आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन अ टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट, तो गलती तो उसकी थी, या फिर द फैक्ट दैट आई वाज बुलीड, सो प्रॉब्लम वाज माय लाइफ, द वे इट हैपेंड टू मी. वी कैन से दैट, बट द थिंग इज दैट saying that, how does it make you feel? It would make you feel powerless, it would make you feel helpless, like nothing can be done. But rather what I want you to focus upon, I want you to see the fact that problem हम में नहीं है. At the core we are all same, at the core we were all born same. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर जब हम बड़े होकर जो डिफरेंस आ रहा है, हाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, डिफरेंस क्या है? सी वी आर एट द कोर, ये इंसान यही है, एट द कोर यही है, राइट? ये थोड़ी बदल गया है, नहीं, इसने एक चीज ले ली अपने साथ, जो इसके साथ जो सेल्फ इमेज कैरी कर रहा है, सेल्फ इमेज, ये डिफरेंस है, फर्क इसमें है। बहुत, हर दो इंसान होंगे, राइट? ये एक मतलब दो एडल्ट होंगे तो उनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? सेल्फ इमेज का। सो प्रॉब्लम इसमें नहीं है, हमें लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम इसमें, हम में प्रॉब्लम इसमें होती है, सेल्फ इमेज में। और ये सेल्फ इमेज हम लेकर नहीं पैदा हुए थे, ये हमने डेवलप किया होता है, पिकअप किया होता है बाहर से, फीडबैक से। सो वर्क कहाँ करना होता है? इस पे वर्क नीड्स टू हैपन हियर, विच मीन्स प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट इन यू, यू डू नॉट हैव प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम इसमें है, द वे यू थिंक एंड फील अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ। And this is liberating, when I tell you this is liberating, because this gives you a way, this makes you feel that yes, there is a way out, that this feeling is not permanent, this is not my normal. ये uncomfortable feeling के साथ नहीं पैदा हुए थे हम, no, we were not born with this uncomfortable feeling. वो uncomfortable feeling कहाँ आई? उस जर्नी से आई, उस सेल्फ इमेज से आई. So when we talk about, okay, how do I go from feeling uncomfortable in my own body to the point where I feel comfortable in my own skin, where I feel peace, where I feel okay being myself, if not proud. See, I'm not even talking about feeling proud of who you are. It's always a journey, you cover it, right? You do not go from 0 to 100 in one day. So how do you go from feeling uncomfortable to comfortable in your own body, being yourself? How do you reach a point where you feel okay, where you accept yourself the way you are, where you say, okay, this is who I am, and it's all right, I like who I am, I'm okay, I feel good. And you know how you would go there, where you understand yourself. So it's all a story of think and feel, because right now there's so much accusation, there's so much. So अभी तो बहुत ही वो है, right? बहुत ही रिजिड वे में आप अपने आप को देख रहे हो. अभी हमारा क्या नजरिया है खुद को देखने में, बहुत ही रिजिड वे में, कि वी थिंक दैट दिस इज द फैक्ट, दिस इज ट्रू फॉर दिस पर्सन, दिस इज रियलिटी. इसको लग रहा है कि रियलिटी है, बट नहीं, ये रियलिटी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट द वे ही इज थिंकिंग एंड फीलिंग अबाउट हिमसेल्फ. इट इज his self image is something that he has created, so he can create this thing again. अगर ये अनहेल्दी सेल्फ इमेज क्रिएट कर सकता है ना, तो now, because as an adult you have thinking brain, now you can reason, you can think, and you can decide, and you can choose for yourself. So now this person has the power to create a healthy self image, to go from unhealthy self image to a healthy self concept, where this person thinks and feel about themselves, right? Better, in a better way, in a good manner. Okay, so let's talk about the how part, like which I have already talked about, like what you need to do to grow out of this feeling, so that ये जो अभी dominant feeling है, that I feel uncomfortable, that I don't feel comfortable being in my own body, that एक constant सी feeling रहती है, that एक desire है that I wish I was somebody else. How do you grow out of that? Simple है, this is where you need to work, right? So I just want you to know the right path that you need to work, and this is why hacks do not work. Because hacks are never talking about the way you think and feel and why you feel it. This is something that is personal to you. आपके साथ कुछ अलग चीजें होंगी जिसकी वजह से you feel a certain way about yourself as a grown up. तो आपके सेल्फ इमेज को बिल्ड करने के लिए जो फैक्टर्स लगे हैं वो डिफरेंट है. How do you resolve that? How do you resolve that? You sit with your you need to process all those heavy emotions, all those memories, so that उसके साथ जो हमारा अटैचमेंट है बहुत ही स्ट्रांग, वो कट सके. The moment we cut off from our past, the moment we process our emotions, तभी वो रिलीज होते हैं, राइट? तब only then they find an out from our body. Because अभी in this stage क्या हो रहा है ना, हम जितने भी हमारी नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स है, हैवी इमोशंस है खुद को लेकर, हमारे पास्ट को लेकर, we are feeling it every day because it is trapped in our body. We are not feeling our emotions. We do not allow ourselves to feel. So यहाँ पर तो it's like and all of this happens when you have this feeling of uncomfortable in your body. All of this is happening when you have an unhealthy relationship with your own self, when you share a toxic relationship with your own self, which is the base of my work. Because my work involves helping people who feel uncomfortable in their body, or people who have an unhealthy relationship with their own selves. Matlab, when you do not like the person that you are, when you look at yourself in a very negative light, when you don't feel good in yourself, my work resolves around taking you from this place to a place where you feel comfortable in your body, where you feel okay being yourself, where you understand yourself, where you know why you are the way you are, where you finally feel peace being yourself. So that is what my work entails. So you can say it is about going from a place where you just do not feel comfortable to a place where you start to feel comfortable and confident in yourself. Okay. So yes, I hope you have a better understanding of yourself now. You understand yourself, your feelings, and the why, and you instead of looking at yourself from a place of judgment and accusations, you understand yourself. Okay, and that was my intention, to help you understand, okay, that if I feel this way, if I feel uncomfortable in my body, why do I feel this way, and what's the way out, where do I need to work upon. So I want to leave you with this, I want to leave you with this thought that the problem is not in us. Even though हमें लगता है कि मेरे अंदर ही प्रॉब्लम है, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I want you to know the problem नहीं, मतलब the fault is in the way I think and feel about myself, which can be very much worked upon through inner work, that is by working on your thoughts and feelings. Okay, so this was it. If you want to explore inner work with me, one-on-one session with me, you just have to DM me session in my WhatsApp. If you're not in my WhatsApp group, I will put the link to my WhatsApp community in the description. You join my group first. From there you can DM me session, and my first sessions are free anyway. The clarity calls are free. So yes, you can DM me session and we will have our first call. All right, bye.